Welcome you all. This is Dr. Sudhamadi, Physical Directress, Sita Lakshmi Ramaswamy College, Tiruchirappalli. In this video, I am going to share my views on the topic fitness for all. Fitness is a condition in which an individual has sufficient energy to avoid fatigue and enjoy life. Fitness is defined as the quality or state of being fit. Around 1950, perhaps consistent with the Industrial Revolution and the treaties of Second World War, the term fitness increased in Western vernacular by a factor of 10. Modern definition of fitness describe either a person or machine's ability to perform a specific function or a holistic definition of human adaptability to cope with various situations. Regarding specific function, fitness is attributed to personnel who possess a significant aerobic or anaerobic ability, that is strength or endurance. Physical fitness provides strong bones and muscles, leads to better health and well-being, prevents various health problems, reduces the risk of several diseases like blood pressure, diabetes, cancer, etc., and improves a better quality of life. Physical fitness reduces stress, tension, and the chances of being depressed and makes you feel better. You can improve your physical fitness and body composition by making healthier food choices and regularly engaging in both aerobic and anaerobic exercises. In this session, we will have a look on the definition of physical fitness, types of physical fitness, components of fitness, the importance of physical fitness, benefits of physical exercises, factors affecting our physical fitness, and ways to improve our fitness level. Definition of physical fitness. Physical fitness is a state of health and well-being, and more specifically, the ability to perform aspects of sports, occupations, and daily activities. Physical fitness is generally achieved through proper nutrition, moderate and vigorous physical exercises, and sufficient rest, along with a formal recovery plan. Before the Industrial Revolution, fitness was defined as the capacity to carry out the day's activities without undue fatigue or lethargy. However, with automation and the changes in lifestyles, physical fitness is now considered a measure of the body's ability to function efficiently and effectively in work and leisure activities, to be healthy, to resist hypokinetic diseases, improve immune system, and to meet emergency situations. Aerobic exercises such as jogging, walking, cycling, and swimming improve cardiorespiratory fitness and increase stamina. It involves movement that increases the heart rate to improve the body's oxygen consumption. This form of exercises is an important part of all training regimens ranging from professional athletes to the everyday person. Types of physical fitness. Physical fitness is measured on the basis of some devices and many scientific tests and then compared to the ideal level of fitness and determined the ability of the individual and fitness efficiency. Fitness is divided into two parts: health related fitness and skill or performance related fitness. Health related fitness, which refers to health and well-being, it involves a skill that enable one to become and stay physically healthy. Skill or performance related fitness, which related to a particular type of exercises. It involves a skill that will enhance one performance in athletic or sports events. Good fitness can be obtained by getting proper nutrition and taking enough breaks. The health related components of physical fitness are of great importance because they make an individual fit, functional, and productive for everyday living. Health related components of fitness. Health related fitness involves exercises, activity that you do in order to try to improve your physical health, particularly in the categories of cardiovascular endurance, muscle strength, muscular endurance, flexibility, and body composition. Cardiovascular endurance, also known as cardiorespiratory endurance or aerobic fitness, refers to your body's ability to efficiently and effectively intake oxygen and deliver it to your body's tissues by way of the heart, lungs, arteries, vessels, and veins. Cardiovascular fitness targets the muscle's ability to make the best use of oxygen so that they can produce energy for movement. Cardiovascular fitness is often considered to the most important type of physical fitness due to the wealth of health benefits it offers. These are directly related to the condition of the lungs and heart and has been known to significantly increase both the length and quality of life. A strong heart and a healthy set of lungs is a requirement for clear blood vessels that supply muscles with oxygen. It helps to maintain a favorable body composition as well as improved stamina. Muscular endurance is the ability of muscles to perform a repetitive motion for a prolonged period without fatigue. Long distance cyclists offer a clear example. To continuously pedal a bike over a long distance, often up steep inclines, cyclists have to develop fatigue resistance muscles in their legs and glutes. These are evidence for high level of muscular endurance. Likewise, holding a plank to develop a core strength is another example of muscular endurance. Muscular strength. Muscular strength is a type of fitness directly related to muscle density and endurance, allowing athletes to perform more repetitions while lifting heavier weights. Muscular strength related to your ability to move and lift objects. It is measured by how much force you can exert and how much weight you can lift for a short period of time. Examples of exercises that develop muscular strength and power include resistance training such as weightlifting, body weight exercises, and resistance band exercises. The flexibility is the range of motion you have around a specific joint. For instance, you might have a very flexible shoulder but tight and inflexible hamstrings or hips. Improving your flexibility can have a massive impact of your overall well-being at any age. It can help increase your muscular performance, reduce tension, stress, and the chance of injury. Flexibility will vary from person to person, but can still be cultivated with a right workout routine to increase the range of movement. This result in a number of benefits include fewer injuries when exercising, suppression of joints pain, enhanced posture, and improved balance as well as a better strength. The last health related component is body composition. The body composition, one of the most valuable of all components of physical fitness. Body composition refers to the ratio of lean mass to the amount of fat in the body. Lean mass of body tissues includes the total mass of muscles, bones, and organs. Also known as body mass index or BMI, this ratio is the yardstick of physical fitness. Higher body fat increases the risk of heart diseases and other health complications. Skill or performance related fitness. Skill related components are broken down into 6 different components. agility, speed, power, balance, coordination, reaction time. These skill related components or movements that are necessary for an individual for successful demonstrate variety of motor skills and movement pattern. The first skill performance related fitness is agility. Agility is the ability to change and control the direction and position of the body while maintaining the constant rapid motion. For example, changing direction to hit a tennis ball. Balance is the ability to control or stabilize the body when a person is standing still or moving. For example, in line skating. Coordination is the ability to use the senses together with the body parts during movement. For example, dribbling a basketball. Using hands and eye together is called hand-eye coordination. Speed is the ability to move your body or part of your body swiftly. Many sports rely on speed to gain advantage over your opponents. For example, a basketball player making a fast break to perform a layup, a tennis player moving forward to get to a drop shot, a football player outrunning the defense to receive a pass. Power is the ability to move the body parts swiftly while applying the maximum force of the muscles. Power is a combination of both speed and muscular strength. For example, fullbacks in football muscling their way through other players and speeding to advance the ball, and volleyball players getting up to the net and lifting their bodies high into the air. Reaction time is the ability to reach or respond quickly to what you hear, see, or feel. For example, an athlete quickly coming off the blocks early in a swimming or track relay or stealing a base in the basketball. The purpose of this activity is to help you gain an understanding of what happens to your heart rate when you perform activities to develop the six components of skill related fitness. Perform each activity as fast as and many times as you can for 30 seconds. Regular exercise and physical activity may help you to control your weight. Along with diet, exercise plays an important role in controlling your weight and preventing obesity. To maintain your weight, the calories you eat and drink must equal the energy you burn. To lose weight, you must use more calories than you eat and drink. Exercise strengthens your heart and improves your circulation. The increased blood flow raises the oxygen level in your body. This helps lower your risk of heart diseases such as high cholesterol, coronary artery diseases, and heart attack. Regular exercise can also lower your blood pressure and triglyceride levels. Exercise can lower your blood sugar level and help your insulin work better. This can cut down your risk for metabolic syndrome and type 2 diabetes. And if you already have one of those diseases, exercises can help you to managing it. During exercises, your body releases the chemicals that can improve your mood and make you feel more relaxed. This can help you deal with stress and reduce your risk of depression. Exercises stimulate your body to release protein and other chemicals that improve the structure and function of your brain. Regular exercises can help kids and teens build strong bones. Later in life, it can also slow the loss of bone density that comes with age. Doing muscle strengthening activities can help you increase or maintain your muscle mass and strength. For older adults, research shows that doing balance and muscle strengthening activities in addition to moderate intensity
Intensity aerobic activity can help reduce your risk of falling. Exercise can help you to fall asleep and stay asleep longer. Studies shows that physical activity can reduce your risk of dying early from the leading causes of death like heart diseases and some cancers. How to improve fitness level? Having a fitness goal or a series of little goals that you are working towards will help you to stay focused and may even help to keep you motivated. Tracking your progress can also make it easier to see when you reach a fitness goal. You can rack your progress in lot of different ways. Some tracking methods for physical fitness includes weight and body measurements. Start small. Although it is rare, jumping right into vigorous exercise after being sedentary for a long time can increase your risk of having a heart attack. Therefore, it is best to go slow and start with something less intense, such as walking, swimming, or biking. Starting slow will also help to reduce your chances of getting injured, which can put a hold on your fitness efforts. After a while, you can increase your activity, intensity, and duration, such as from walking to jogging or swimming for 45 minutes instead of 30 minutes. Includes 30 minutes of cardiovascular activity most days. Cardiovascular activity is an essential part of any plan to improve physical fitness. Exercises for 150 minutes per week or 30 minutes 5 days per week is recommended. So try to make this amount of activity part of your schedule. Add strength training. Strength training is also essential for physical fitness, but you only need to do 2 strength training workouts each week. Make sure that these 2 workouts target all of your major muscles groups, including the abs, arms, back, chest, hip, legs, and shoulders. Both workout groups don't have to focus on all muscle groups at once. For example, one workout can focus on your arms, back, chest, and shoulders. The other workout can focus on your abs, hips, and legs. Take a class. Exercise classes provide a good workout and a social outlet as well as. Group exercise classes may also help you to stay motivated more than working out on your own. Try taking an exercise class such as spinning, Zumba, yoga. Follow a balanced diet. What you put into your body can make a big difference in your result and how you feel. That is why it is important to follow a balanced diet as you work towards your fitness goal. Eliminate unhealthy choices as you work to include healthier foods in your diet. You should also do what you can to eliminate unhealthy choices. If you want to be fit and healthy, you have to do regular exercise and take balanced diet and take adequate amount of rest. Thank you.